Welcome everyone. I hope everyone's enjoying the videos today. It is November 21st, 2019. I am celebrating my birthday. Yay! I completed 3 videos already. On Kenmore Super High Shank, on Low Shank, and High Shank Feet. And I'm about to do video number 4 here. And that would be Singer Slant Shank Feet. Alright. And we have 18 choices here. I will just leave it on here for a second. Alright, like I've been doing with all the other videos, I'm gonna bring the foot up to the camera for a close-up. We're gonna start with the sand stitch number 1. We'll put focus point right here. Sand stitch number 1. Number 2. Button foot. Number 3, multi-slotted binder. Number 4, ruffler. Number 5, zigzag. Number 6, hammer. Number 7, special purpose foot. Number 8, this is a narrow adjustable zipper cording foot. Number 9, gathering foot. Number 10, the over edge foot. This is to be used with the number 22 cam, which I have as well. Number 11, straight stitch foot. Number 12, quilting foot. Number 13, button foot. I took a guess on this. I think it's a stitch in the ditch foot. I'm not sure. That's number 14. It's the only one there is. Okay, so from 1 through 14, all those are $7. From 15, 16, 17, 18, prices are different. So we're going to go to number 15. I've sold probably over 100 of these here. Very good reviews. It is your slant quilting foot with guide. See that? I'm sorry, what am I saying? This is a slant quarter foot with guide. This is the quilting embroidery darning foot. Sold over 100 of these too. With the big one with the big foot with the lines. Both the quilting and the quarter foot are both $15 each. I sold out of the genuine quilting feet. I'm pretty sure I don't have any left. I had 12 and they all sold within 5 weeks, I think. Singer walking foot. I knocked that down a few dollars. $20 even on that. Alright, we have seam guides here. Seam guides. They're free with any purchase of 2 feet or more. Any 2 slant feet or more, free seam guide. So there's 18 reasons why it's good to own a slant shank sewing machine. Once again, best way to make an order is to contact me through my personal messages on Facebook. PayPal is preferred and easy to use. If you know anyone you can share this video with, please do. I'm always looking for more subscribers. There's going to be... I'm not sure if I'm going to get to this one or not today. That's Bernina feet. I also want to do a 2-piece Singer for slant as well. But I think the next video I'm going to do, because it's getting kind of late and I'm getting tired, I want to get to the other side. I haven't been able to get to any messages. I know they're adding up. Messages are adding up and a lot of happy birthdays are coming in. So there was one right there. And so I think the next video I'm going to do the Christmas holiday gift packages. I'm going to put a few together, maybe 5 or 10 or a dozen, I don't know yet. We'll see what I could put together. Anywhere from stocking stuffers to, you know, bigger packages. So if you know anyone sewing, you know, that likes sewing and would like a sewing related gift, I would love to see you order one today. Make my day easy. Alright, thanks for watching. Enjoy the day.